Hidden in plain sight, lurking in our refrigerators is a condiment shrouded in mystery. A staple in almost every household, it sits quietly, waiting to be summoned to our plates. It's a sauce so ubiquitous, so familiar, yet behind its sweet and tangy facade lies a tale darker than you can imagine. A tale that stretches back centuries, crossing continents and cultures. Yes, I'm talking about ketchup, that crimson concoction that graces our burgers, fries, and nuggets. But have you ever stopped to wonder about its origins? But what is ketchup really? Is it just tomatoes, vinegar, and sugar, or is there more to this story? Where does it come from? The journey of ketchup begins in the sun-drenched fields where tomatoes grow, but it doesn't end there. And what secrets are hidden within its viscous depths? What processes turn these innocent tomatoes into the thick red sauce we all recognize? Join me, if you dare, as we delve into the shadowy world of ketchup production, a world filled with industrial secrets and age-old recipes. A place where plump, innocent tomatoes are subjected to a series of bizarre rituals, from crushing and cooking to the addition of mysterious ingredients, transforming them into the beloved condiment we know and, well, tolerate. It's a transformation that involves science, tradition, and a bit of alchemy. Fasten your seatbelts, ketchup lovers, because this is a journey into the heart of a blood-red secret. A journey that will change the way you see this everyday condiment forever. Our tale begins not in a spooky castle or haunted graveyard, but in the sun-drenched fields where tomatoes grow. Imagine, if you will, endless rows of these plump, juicy fruits basking under the watchful eye of farmers. Yes, these ordinary fields hold the first clue to ketchup's dark secret. Millions upon millions of tomatoes, destined for a fate far more glorious and messy than simply ending up in a salad. These tomatoes, once harvested, embark on a perilous journey, loaded onto trucks that rumble through the night, their precious cargo hidden from view. Where are they going? Prepare yourself, dear reader, for the next stage of our ketchup adventure is not for the faint of heart. The trucks arrive at their destination, the ketchup factory, a place of strange smells, loud noises, and gleaming stainless steel. It's here that the true horror, the unspeakable transformation begins. Imagine, if you can stomach it, these once proud tomatoes being washed, sorted, and crushed, their juicy innards spilling forth in a crimson tide. It's a scene of utter carnage, a tomato massacre of epic proportions. But wait, there's more. This is just the beginning of their journey. The pulped remains of these once vibrant tomatoes are about to face a fate far weirder than anyone could imagine. Now, you might think that the process of making ketchup is as simple as crushing tomatoes and bottling the result. Oh no, my friend, you're sorely mistaken. Ketchup, like any good thriller, has its twists and turns, its secret ingredients, its whispers of something more. Enter the spices, a motley crew of cinnamon, clove, allspice, and who knows what else, each adding their own peculiar note to the ketchup symphony. And let's not forget the sugar. Oh, so much sugar poured into the mix with reckless abandon. It's a culinary cauldron of bubbling, simmering chaos, a sensory overload of sweet, sour, and spicy aromas that would make even the most seasoned chef recoil in horror, or perhaps just ask for seconds. But let's delve deeper into this culinary enigma. The journey of ketchup doesn't end with just tomatoes and spices. Vinegar, that sharp, tangy elixir, is added to balance the sweetness and enhance the flavors. It's a delicate dance of ingredients, each playing its part to create the perfect harmony. Salt, too, is a crucial player, bringing out the depth and complexity of the flavors. The mixture is then cooked to perfection, a slow and meticulous process that ensures every element is blended seamlessly. Finally, the rich red sauce is poured into bottles, ready to grace tables and tantalize taste buds around the world. So the next time you squeeze that bottle of ketchup, remember the intricate dance of ingredients and the symphony of flavors that went into creating it. It's not just a condiment, it's a masterpiece of culinary art, a blend of sugary secrets and spicy whispers that make every bite a delight. Section 5, the ketchup cauldron, a symphony of flavors. Our tomato victims, now reduced to a simmering, bubbling mass, are subjected to a series of trials designed to test their very essence. These trials are not for the faint of heart, as each tomato must prove its worth in the grand scheme of flavor. Giant vats, resembling something out of a medieval alchemist's lab, churn and bubble, the air thick with the sweet, tangy aroma of ketchup in the making. The vats are like cauldrons, each one a vessel of transformation, where raw ingredients are turned into culinary gold. It's a symphony of flavors, a delicate dance of acidity, sweetness, and spice, all orchestrated by the unseen hand of the ketchup master. The master carefully measures each ingredient, ensuring that the balance is just right, for even a slight deviation could spell disaster. This is where science meets sorcery, where tomatoes transcend their earthly form and become something greater. The transformation is almost magical as the humble tomato is elevated to a higher state of being, becoming a beloved condiment enjoyed by millions. But beware, dear reader, for even in this symphony of flavor, danger lurks. The process is fraught with peril, and one wrong move could lead to catastrophe. One false move, one ingredient out of balance, and the entire batch could be ruined, doomed to become, well, let's not speak of such horrors. The stakes are high and the pressure is immense. But when done right, the result is nothing short of perfection. Section 6. Bottling the beast. A sticky situation. After hours of bubbling and simmering, our ketchup concoction, now a vibrant, homogeneous sauce, is ready for its final terrifying transformation. It's time for bottling, a process that is as messy and chaotic as it is essential. Imagine, if you dare, a torrent of red, viscous liquid being forced through tubes and pipes, cascading into thousands upon thousands of pristine glass bottles. It's a ketchup tsunami, a sticky, sweet, and slightly terrifying spectacle. But fear not, dear reader, for this is all part of the plan. Each bottle is filled with precision, capped, labeled, and ready to be unleashed upon an unsuspecting world. Section 7. Quality Control, the Ketchup Police. Before our ketchup heroes can be released into the wild, they must first face the scrutiny of the Ketchup Police, a group of highly trained individuals with discerning palates and an unwavering commitment to quality. These brave souls, armed with only their spoons and a keen sense of taste, sample batch after batch, ensuring that each and every bottle meets the exacting standards of the ketchup world. Too sweet? Reject. Not tangy enough? Back to the drawing board. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. After all, the fate of barbecues and French fries everywhere rests on their shoulders. Section 8. From Factory to Table, a ketchup's journey. Having survived the trials and tribulations of the factory, our ketchup heroes are now ready for the final leg of their journey, from the factory floor to your table. Loaded onto trucks, they embark on a cross-country adventure, traveling by land, sea, and air, all to reach their final destination, your plate. It's a perilous journey, fraught with danger at every turn. Will they survive the bumpy roads, the sweltering heat, the temptation to be devoured by hungry truck drivers? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure. The ketchup that makes it to your table has earned its place of honor. Section 9. Ketchup, friend or fiend? So there you have it, the not-so-dark secret of ketchup, a tale of transformation, of flavor, of a condiment that has captured the hearts and stomachs of millions. But is ketchup a friend or a fiend, a culinary savior or a sugary menace? The answer, my friend, is up to you. But whatever your stance on this divisive condiment, one thing is for sure, ketchup is here to stay. So next time you reach for that familiar bottle, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken, the secrets it holds, and then go ahead and drench your fries with reckless abandon. Section 10. Unveiling the truth. Ketchup's not-so-dark secret. But wait, before we conclude our ketchup chronicle, I must confess something. While our journey into the heart of ketchup production was filled with intrigue and suspense, the truth is there's nothing particularly dark or sinister about it. Yes, tomatoes are crushed, spices are added, and sugar, oh so much sugar, is involved. But in the end, it's just a harmless condiment designed to add a touch of flavor to our lives. So rest assured, dear reader, there's no need to fear the ketchup. Embrace its sweet, tangy goodness and enjoy. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the sauce. So there you have it, the truth about ketchup. It's not so scary after all. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a delicious combination of flavors, and a reminder that even the most ordinary things can have extraordinary stories behind them. So next time you see a bottle of ketchup, don't think about crushed tomatoes or bubbling vats. Think about the joy it brings, the memories it creates, and the simple pleasure of a perfectly dipped French fry. Go forth and embrace the sauce.